Hi all, welcome back to the shop. Steven speaking. So the next step is to drill the hole. So let's launch. So let's have a look. It's the back side of the plates. There it is. Pretty nice job. Light sanding. Everything will be okay. Here it is. Nice. Steven speaking. We make a follow-up about the arcade cabinets project. So you can see here the control panel. I put the first layer of primer on it. I did the same thing, you know, on the lower side of the arcade cabinet. I start to make, let me put some black painting. The speaker are done here. The other speaker is also done, and there is the space for the amplifier. The other side here, I start to put a primer, so I need a lot of primer to do it, and underneath here I start also to make the black finish. I also did the T-slot, so I use a small saw here that I have. I machine a shaft, put a bearing on it, and did pretty good work with this machine. It's a router. It's 1200 watts. A pretty nice job. And I start also to make the finish. So remaining things is the primer, and then I will do the assembly and put you know, the fans here. There is 4 fans on this one. If you want to see the back side, so here is the back side. So there is the power cord arriving here. So for the power cord, I use this one. So you can only plug power cable, and it will draw all the power inside the cabinet. So here's the fans, joystick and the buttons are here. The amplifier from China. I guess I paid for 12 bucks for this one. And the speaker, or car speaker, here they are products. So I will put another layer of primer. I put my fans on because I have to breathe correctly here. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.